Hey Bayardo, this is Larry Powell with Top Shelf Rankings. Kimberly called and talked to you last week, and you said you might be interested in taking a look at this video, so I wanted to put it together for you real quick here. This video is going to outline how you can generate more leads for your business by utilizing Google. We're going to go over what I call the big three, and that's content, backlinks, and citations, and what each one of these do and how they can generate more leads for your business. So first off, jumping into your website, I can see that you have one of the free Google websites. Totally fine getting a business started with a free Google website. It's not always the best long-term solution, but definitely there are some things you can do to still get these websites to rank and generate leads for your business. So first thing, I love that you have the contact us here at the top. It's always great to have the ability for people to get a hold of you easy and not have to search around your website for that. Going through your website, it looks like you guys do some great work. I love all the pictures you have on here. You have some great testimonials, a little bit of content. Content is definitely king when it comes to ranking a website. There was a study done a few years ago that looked at all the top ranked websites across Google. And what they found in this study is that the top ranked sites all had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. The reason being for that is that Google is really looking for the best source or the most informational source when people are doing searches on Google. They want to put the best information possible out there. And so if you only have 100 words of content and your competitors have 2,000 words of content, Google's going to see that and they're going to say, oh, well, your competitors have more information related to the topic people are searching for. Okay. So definitely increase the amount of content you have on here. And then also making sure you have the search terms you want to be found for in your content. So we can look at your website here, Command F, Painters Concord. So we can see Painters Concord, and this is currently getting 50 searches per month. Painters Concord isn't on your website a single time. So if people are searching for Painters Concord, currently Google doesn't know to pull you up in the rankings for that search term because it's not something that's in your content. So making sure you have the search terms you actually want to be found for in your content is definitely going to be a great first step in helping you generate more leads for your business. Now looking at Painters Concord, we'll jump into this, kind of explain what we're seeing here just in case you're not super familiar with it. But these are all paid ads. So this is people paying Google to have their business listed here at the top of Google. And then you have what's called the Google My Business or GMBs, okay? And this brings us to number 2 of the big 3, and that is citations. So citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on directory websites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, even a Facebook page. These all can count as citation sources for your business. And the goal here is to have more citations than what your competitors have. And there's tools out there that allow you to see exactly how many citations your competitors have. And if you're interested in seeing those, definitely hit me up and I'd have no problem helping you out with that. There's another big way of how you get your business into this, and that is looking at the organic rankings. Google really likes to have organic rankings be similar to what you see up here. And so looking at the organic search results, we can see Yelp is the number 1. Then we have Home Advisor, 3 best rated. These are all, large national directory sites, which is actually a great sign for you because Google really prefers to rank the small business owner over these large national directory sites because these guys are stealing money from Google and their paid ads. If you're seeing somebody down here, it's usually because they're just not doing the little things that take to rank the website up here in the top spot. 99% of the time, you will pass these guys up no problem because Google really wants you to be up there and not them. Okay. So looking at the current top ranked website, we can see Contra Costa Painting. Looking at their website, it is a good looking site. You can definitely tell that they've spent some money on this. Content wise, there's still probably about 1,000 words, if even that. So it'd be easy to pass them up content wise. Looking at the back end of their site compared to yours, this is where we get what's called backlinks. So the best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like Google's like a giant popularity contest, okay? And you're going to be going out there and trying to find websites that are more popular than yours, and you're going to try to link your site to them, or what's called a backlink. And when you backlink your site to that other website, it then brings up the popularity of your site and moves you up in the search results. As you're going out there and getting backlinks for your website, you also want to make sure that you're going after ones that are niche relevant. So what I mean by that is going after maybe your painting distributor, if he'll let you put a backlink on there, or another painting contractor, maybe like in Oregon where I'm at, right? Those are niche relevant. Those carry a lot more weight in Google's eyes than if you guys were to go out and get a backlink to your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas, okay? So niche relevancy is definitely going to be big for you guys. So currently you can see you're sitting at 19 backlinks from 4 referring domains. You have 6 organic keywords that you're currently being found for, and you're getting 4 people per month to your website. We can see from organic keywords that you're ranking for flex painting, Kelly Moore, not my fault, Kelly Moore, Durapoxy price, not my fault, Kelly Moore. So not a lot of high buyer intent behind these keywords. Okay, so we can look at exterior painting professionals and what they're ranking for. We can see they have 113 backlinks from 24 referring domains, not super high on numbers. We can see they're ranking for 56 keywords and they're getting 60 people per month to their website. Looking at the keywords they're currently ranking for, we can see Painters Concord. It's getting 50 searches per month. We can see Painter Concord, California, another 50 searches per month. Concord Painting, 80 searches per month. So being in the top spot for these search terms, you can count on getting about 33% of that search traffic headed towards your website. So there's definitely a lot of opportunity there for you to generate a lot more leads for your business by really focusing on the correct search terms, making sure they're in your content, and then you have that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. Combining that with citations and backlinks, you guys would be well on your way to generating a ton more business and really setting your guys' up for this spring when business really takes off, because people are ready to do projects and get their house painted. If you have any questions on this, definitely feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to discuss further with you. You can reach me at my cell phone. My number is 541-968-7159. If you're interested in having somebody help you with implementation or putting this stuff into work, I'll definitely discuss that with you. If you want to take this and run and do it yourself, that's totally fine as well. No harm, no foul. I would definitely appreciate, just a little bit of feedback on the email I'm going to be sending this over to you in. Just yes, it was informational, I appreciated it, or no, go to hell. Either one is fine. But I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to hear from you soon.